Shut up. Shut up. I'm not late. You're late. You're all late. You're late. Shut up. I'm not. I had a cat to deal with. I'm not late. Shut up. How's it going, guys? Um, yeah. Oh, I did it wrong again. That's gonna happen. Just give me a second. It's gonna happen. This is new stuff that I added. So. Ah, there we go. Much better. How's it going? How's it going? It's you know, yeah, we're doing stuff again. We're making this thing again because we are only did a little bit of it last time, so we're gonna do the rest of it, somewhat the rest of it, now. So, yay. Okay, so I have a little video that I really should have looked at before I started doing this stream, but I didn't think about it until my friend DM'd me it. So, you know, we got a little video to look at. This is tinyBuild's little AI thing. This is how their AI was supposed to be, which you know, we're gonna look at the hunt section pretty much because this is what we're making today. And I gotta rework the idle a little bit because I thought of some stuff that I need to add, but I'm going to do that off stream because that's me thing. So, you know, let's take a little look, see what we gotta do.
In the hunt mode, the neighbor is searching for the player. When a player is in the neighbor's house, he changes the interior scene. For instance, the player can move an item or drop it with a bank. The neighbor monitors such changes, analyzes them, and comes to a conclusion that there is someone in his house.
So that's gonna be annoying to set up, that part. So we have to figure out how the house looks by default when he first walks into a room. We save that data, and then we add it. We use that data to figure out whether something's changed, and if it has, which we can kind of do that. Actually, I have some ideas. We'll figure that out. We'll figure that out. We're gonna click on the stream. Oh, hi. How's it going? Yeah. So we're pretty much making this, but we're gonna make it better than how they did it in the full game. So that's gonna be fun to figure out how to do. He looks around. I'm gonna have him, like, if he just sees like something like that, he's going to check rooms that he's seen you go into, and like every time you go into a room and he sees you in the room, it adds something to it. What's up, John Drew? It'll like add like to a counter or something. I think that's what the play is, honestly. So yeah, I am a weird guy who knows how to do things. You also found this? Yeah, I know, it's stupid that they can't make their own. So, you know, now I have to come here and I have to make my own because they can't do it. No. Honestly, like, they had a good start for the AI when they were making Hello Neighbor 2, and then they messed it up again, which is why I wanted to do this in the first place. Because they apparently can't do it. I don't know if my mic's loud at all, by the way. I'm gonna hope it's not. But yeah, no, like, it's just, like, they apparently can't do it themselves, so I'm here now, and I'm going to do it for my own benefit, which is content. So, you know, yeah, like, we got the idle mode. It's just he doesn't really have points yet, and I forgot that I need to, let me hide the screen again. I gotta update, because there are a few things that some people have done. I have some friends that hopped on. Yeah, no, I learned, like, in COVID year, I'm gonna be honest. It just took a second and I learned. But yeah, so this place, it looks a little bit different from last stream. Like, it's got a couple more details and stuff. Like, that's there now. This is here. We got boxes and stuff. The rooms have a little bit more details in it, like a mailbox in the kitchen for some reason. Bathroom's still plain. I actually haven't looked at all those changes, so this is kind of just me looking around now. It doesn't really look like they did too much with this room or this room. It's not too much different. Honestly, there really isn't that much. Most of this is stuff I'd already done. Really, one of the big changes though is we got like the little window blinds outside. I think on every single window actually. Yeah, these windows are boarded up. We got honestly, I do like what they did. It's really nice, and it does like add a little bit more immersion and like make it look normal. I do think they did a little bit of the classroom as well, which they did. Yeah, the classroom exists. Let's turn off the lighting real quick. Classroom exists, so we got classroom stuff. You're using Unity, then Unreal. I'm not actually using Unreal at all. I'm just gonna stick with Unity because at least for now, I'm gonna go to Unreal at some point, learn it. But Unity is what I learned, so I'm sticking with it for a while. I don't know where the fuck I'm going. I designed this house and I don't even know where the fuck I'm going. Okay. So yeah, that's not too difficult. Okay, so pretty much what we need to do is reminds me how they changed the style from the original pre-alpha, made it less scary. Honestly, I agree. So, you know, instead we modeled our own models and made it look stupid as fuck. But you know, it's a thing. It's a thing. I guess. So yeah, let me open up a notepad so I can actually like write down what we need to do. So what we need to do is we're working on the hunt mode. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get it to where he can notice changes around the house. I did make this house by myself. Yes, it was all modeled in Blender. Every single model you see in this game, me and my friends, we all modeled it together, made it ourselves. Everything's custom. Your style's also better? Yeah. Though, honestly, I do like how everything is turning out. It looks great. Like, if I turn on the lighting and the post-processing, this is what the game looks like. It's got, like, volumetric lights on some cars and shit. It's really nice, and I love it. It's great. So, yeah. This is our house. We also custom made a player house, too, which has no decoration. Hearing sound cues? Yes, he does need to hear sound cues. Yes, you're right. Those changed around the house / sound cues. Alright, what else? He needs to, be able to know the player's favorite rooms. Chase mode will do that. I'll just base value it every now and then to test it out, see what he does. What else do we need to do? He needs to, search, wardrobes, I guess. Maybe I should also implement the, neighbor opens doors, because he doesn't open doors, he kind of just walks through them right now. He also needs to learn from trial and error to predict the player's movements. Yes, that is in chase mode, though. But, yeah, varying routines. Yeah, the routines will vary, but it's really just depending on the player. Like, this is hunt mode. Idle mode's different. Like, we've already got auto mode. We did auto mode last time. Offline mode is setting traps. I don't, honestly, I would put that in hunt mode. Honestly, yeah, no, traps should be in hunt mode. Set traps / cams, because we do actually have cameras. Can you put a monkey somewhere? I mean, maybe. It might be red. We'll see. So this is we're getting somewhere. I'm just trying to think exactly what else we gotta do. What else? Okay, what else does the video have him do? Because like he goes through hunt mode. Yep.
Everything like in the real life. The showering, you behave in someone's house, the fewer chances you have to be napped. So, how does the neighbor behave?
So, it needs a different threshold. Okay, cool. So that's gonna need a different threshold, which I will probably set that to be for each specific room. Should make him block house exits to make it hard to leave. Yeah, no, that's gonna be, I don't think that's gonna be a hunt mode. That's gonna be more like a chase mode thing. We already have, like, an animation where he presses a button, and then all I gotta do is just add, like, we have, if I come to, I think it's in household, we have, like, this gate thing that we can use to, like, block off windows and doors and stuff. So, yeah. This idea for the chase mode, but throwing objects through windows to break them and jump like the announcement. Yeah, he does need to do that, but that's in chase. right now we're just working on hunt mode. If I get far in it, I will also make chase mode today, or at least try to start it, I guess. So, you know. What else? He needs to, Okay, I gotta make the player interactions at some point as well, because the player's gonna be able to throw stuff at him, and he's just gonna ragdoll and then get up. Which I think that's gonna be funny when I make him ragdoll. But yeah, we also don't have our neighbor model in yet, because we're still working on animations a little bit. We got like idle animations that we could work on. Honestly, since I have other areas, I should add some more points that he can go to for his tasks real quick while I'm thinking about it. Wow, that is a lot of shit that they've added. Holy fuck. Okay, so I need you, and you. This is really what I want at the top. Kind of just falling into hunt mode because they're blocking the house up. Limits places the player can go. I mean, I guess, but like, I don't really know if I want to put it in hunt mode. Because like, I'm gonna allow him to board up. That's the thing. Hunt mode. Block doors with chairs. I can't spell, if you can tell. Ragdoll funny? I agree, Ragdoll funny. Okay, let me add some tasks real quick, because he does have like these little circle things. These are all his tasks that he can go to. Like he can sit on the couch and stuff. He doesn't actually sit on the couch yet, because you know, where's he at? He's this. This is him. He's a bean. We love beans. So yeah. Let's get this set up so then I have like some more areas that he can go to. This is I did not mean to do that. The neighbor noticed objects the player has moved. Yes. I've put that in the list. We need to do that. He's trying to find the player in the house so he doesn't want him to leave. Yeah, I get. Okay, I'll put it as a chance for hunt mode. How about that? I'll put it as a chance that he'll lock off the house. Depending on like how much of a difference you've made in the house will depend on whether he blocks it off or not. I think something like that would work. Okay. I'm trying to think. Give me a second. This is gonna be bedroom. Yeah, because he's got a bedroom. So let's just move this into the bedroom. So I'm just trying to give him more tasks, so he's a little bit, he moves around the house a bit more. And then I am gonna make him in idle mode, go to random areas, which I haven't done real quick. Let me just note that in the script real quick. Should make him use furniture from around the house instead of just spawning chairs. And yeah, no, I'll probably figure that out. I'll see if he can find like the nearest chair. He'll grab that chair and then put it on the door. That's honestly not a bad idea. Pre-placed chairs. Okay, cool. I'll do it like this. Okay, press buttons. Make idle, what am I doing? Make idle, also pick random points to just go to. Not just pass. Okay, cool. No, I'm just gonna copy paste this real quick. So I have this in here as well, in case I ever lose it. Now just shows you can do couches and tables. Well, I mean, the thing is, the player can't pick up couches as well or tables. So, you know, I don't think I'm gonna do couches or tables. If I would have him pick up a chair, I would make it be this big chair right here, just as like a funny joke. Like I could put it on here. I think it'd be kind of funny. So yeah. Also, apparently my friends, when they were on this, they were having a few issues with being able to see certain things. So I'm just gonna quickly make sure that everything is the right layer. So items, ground. Yeah, they can see ground and items. Okay. I don't know why they couldn't see it. They were like on the test world and stuff, and they were not able to see some of these items, which was weird, I think. Ooh. Oh, no, they can see default layer, I think. I'm pretty sure they can see default. I'll double check, see what they can see exactly. That's the point. But like, I mean, I don't want them to just like not be able to unblock off a room. I think that's a little bit too unfair. What the fuck is that? That is just a black spot on my wall. Okay. Okay. Let me see what the player can see real quick, because he was having a little bit of issues with seeing some things. So you can see everything but inventory. That was weird. I don't know. Let me go into the test world, see if I can see everything real quick. Let me see. Like, if I run. Can the player maybe slide heavier furniture? Like, ooh. Maybe. I might actually do that. That's not a bad idea. Yeah, wait, why can't the player see some of these items? I guess they're just not updated in here or something? Like, because the bear trap's not seen. And then access to certain rooms for short amounts of time. I mean, I guess, but like, I don't exactly know if I want to do that. I'm gonna be honest, because that's just, again, it's not really too fair. Or this player on here isn't. I know what it is. Okay, where's the player at? Yeah, he's just not set up to see what the other player can see. That makes sense. Okay. So he can see everything but inventory. That's what it is. Alright. There you go. This guy's fixed now. Alright. Sonic is something seen in the announcement trailer? Yeah, no, honestly, you're right. I should do that. I'll probably add that later. Let me go mark it in the script real quick for the player. Put it in here. Why not? Allow player to slide/drag certain objects like tables / sofas. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So that's that. Leave that there. And I'll add that eventually. I just gotta exactly figure out how I'm gonna add that. Okay, let's go back to the other scene. Which is over here, scenes, menu. Alright. We just come to this scene and we should start getting work done, because I need to actually start getting work done. Scripts, neighbor. I have it open, don't I? I do. Okay, so no change around the house. So how am I going to set that up? Each room is going to have its own, I guess, we'll make it be like a bounding box, and it'll check the position of stuff, and yeah. Something might complicate idle stuff. No, I can just, because what I'll do is I'll just, ooh, you're right, with certain tasks, I'll just make, like, I'm talking about, like, if it's a sofa, it'd be like a sofa like this, not like a sofa like this. And certain tables, I guess it would just be like coffee tables, because we have coffee tables, like this one right here. We can just make them slide coffee tables around. Ah, thanks, Jimmy. We canceled because you didn't have to cancel because of me. You guys can still go. You don't have to cancel. Love you too, though. Okay, so yeah, okay. So each room, I'm gonna give each room a bounding box, I guess, and inside the bounding box, it'll check where certain items are when the frame starts, or I guess when the scene starts. And then, using that, it'll, I guess just figure out where shit is. And then, how am I gonna do that? You're going on Wednesday? Okay. Make sure I'm not doing anything Wednesday then. But the sliding is slow, both the player, yeah, I'll just lower the player speed to the crouch speed. Shut up, Red, are you? No. Okay, let's do this real quick. Create empty, we'll call this rooms. How the fuck am I gonna do this exactly? Because I'm trying to think of how I'm gonna do this. So if I just, I'm trying to think, how can I do this? Because I've never had to do anything like this before. Hmm. Okay, also, I don't want you all the way over there. Let's bring you over here. So you're in the house. Where the fuck are you? Why are you all the way over there? Okay. I do not understand this thing sometimes. Okay, so I think that really I just need to create a script that'll allow me to set the bounds of rooms, I guess, instead of just using triggers, because I could use trigger boxes easily, but like I'd rather do it the cool way. Shut up, Billy. Let me see. Okay, so we'll call this room bounds. Oops, I can spell. I still can't spell. That is not spelled properly. And now I can't fix it. Just give it a second. And there can't be space. My bad. Whoops. Oops. Okay, and then let's fix this up. Cool. All right, that's fixed. So really, I just need a Trying to think. Will you do a Hello Neighbor 2 AI remake when I finish with this? I'm not 100% sure. I might, but really, this was inspired by Hello Neighbor 2, and because they couldn't do it there, so I might. I'll see. I'll see about that. Because if I can get this done really well, then I think that I might try and tackle that and make it be better. Which it's pretty much I'd use this as like a base. So, all right. So I need a vector 3. Do I need it to be 2D array? Let's see. Public. Otherwise, it's public. I still can't spell. I cannot spell today. Holy shit. I still can't spell today. Okay. So vector 3 array, and we'll call it rooms. Okay. Is this? Let me see how that looks in. I don't think it's gonna look good in Yeah, you can't even see it in here. It doesn't let you see arrays like that. So the thing is, I need it to like. Fuck you, Billy. Kill yourself. What? Sorry, he texted me. Let me think. Okay, so why can't... See, if I just did a vector 3 array, that would be different, but I don't exactly... Okay. Public class, we'll call this... no, not public, okay. Class, bounding, box. It's just going to be its own thing. And this is going to have a public vector 3 array known as room center, I guess we'll call it that, room center. And then it's also going to have a public another vector 3 array, which is just, or actually I don't even think I need it as arrays. I don't need them as arrays at all. I just need this to be size. Okay, cool. And then I just add a public bounding box, and I make that be an array. And then I can just call that rooms. All right. That'll work better, right? Does that work? Does that work? No? Let's make it be public. Fuck. There we go. That worked. Okay. We'll hope that works. Let's see how that looks in here now. I had a lightning strike and glowing eyes. Let's go. Woo. I love lightning strikes and my eyes glowing. It still doesn't work. Why exactly? I'm going to go look at some other code I've made that actually has that working. This is called cheating, and it's something that I do a lot when I code. where is my projects? Here we go. Projects. It's in this. It's in here. Here. Probably UI. Nope, it's not in UI. Did I put in gameplay? UI? Yeah, here we go. Okay. You have that. And then I think this is what has that. Yeah, so it's just that, but it is its own separate class. It's just that it's not exactly, you know, working. Can you put some music in the background? I could, but I don't have any non-copyright music. If I get I'm working on getting non-copyright music for streams, so then I can actually use it. I mean, if you have, you know what? What's that one guy that Danny uses? Yeah, let's figure this out. So I've used some of his music in my sorry, give me a second. We're gonna figure this out. He used it probably in one of these videos. Let's see. I think it's like
Long story short, I
think it's like Evan King. Let me look. Yeah, Evan King. Okay, that's what I want. He switched context sensitive. So if I just come to, he has playlists, right? Weekly Loop Sessions 3. Honestly, that might not be bad. This is all non-copyright, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so we'll just put this on, and then let me see. Danny is cool. I love Danny. He's actually one of the reasons I started doing this. New playlist. Here we go. Put on some music. I could use music. Okay. I don't want it to be its own thing. See, but like, I don't understand why that doesn't work. That should just work. It normally works. Maybe it's because I have it as like, I have this as the array. Let me make that not be the array, and then okay, let's see how that works. That might work better. Does it work? No, it doesn't. Mean. I'll do it the other way then. I guess because C# doesn't, well, like Unity doesn't actually know it's existing. Alright, so this is not mono behavior, and it's not going to have any of this. It's just going to have a public vector 3, blah, 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 bounds, like that, and then public vector 3 size. There. And maybe it's because I don't have it like new vector 3. There we go. Yeah. Can I just do that? Yeah. I think it's because that actually doesn't exist like that. That might be why. Still doesn't exist because I didn't do the Still doesn't exist. System.serializable. That's why. That's why I'm using the wrong thing. So can I just move this back? Let me just see if I can. No, not you. Oh, you. That's what. My bad. Oh, and I also put that on the wrong thing. Let's see if I can just move this back. I want to see if I can do that. System dot. There we go. And then if I just get rid of this completely. There we go. I was doing the wrong thing. That's why. That makes sense. You do have some of the animations. Yeah, I don't actually have them in here. Okay, cool. So that now has that, which then I can just create one, and now it has room size and bounds, and then all I gotta do is draw gizmos at that point. Okay, so in here, void on draw gizmos selected, I think is what I want. I think that's what I want. All we do is just at for each bounding box, we'll call it, we'll just call it X. Okay. In rooms, what we do is we just we draw. Okay, first off, gizmos.color equals. Oh, I love this song. Equals we'll call it. We'll make it be green. Why not? Or red. We'll figure it out later. So all we do is x dot gizmos dot draw cube wire cube at x dot room bounds comma x dot room size. All right, and that should draw a gizmo for each of the elements. So if because right now it doesn't have anything in it, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so we'll give it. We'll make it be a 111 right now, and we'll just move it over on the C. Okay, it doesn't show it for some reason. It's not actually showing the It is not showing the bounding box. Huh, okay. Huh. Unless it's like putting it at actual 0, 0. Which I hope not. It is not, okay. I don't need to do anything special for gizmos, do I? I don't mess with gizmos that often, if you can't tell. Let's come here. I can get rid of this stuff. There's nothing special, right? No, there's not. So, well, that sucks. It's not drawing my wires, my wire mesh cube thingy. This place is really short. All these songs are like 30 seconds. That's really short. There's a lot of songs. We'll just make it beyond for this. Right, because that's just center and then size. Yeah. Just use a regular for loop, but do I really care to? Not really. Yeah, it's not drawing as gizmos. That sucks. Could I just use trigger boxes? But then, like, I can't. They're all square rooms anyways. I'll just use trigger boxes. It's fine. I'll just use trigger boxes. Okay. I want to do it the cool way, but the cool way doesn't want to work, so. Boo. Okay. We'll do it the boring way, I guess. Alright, we'll do it though. Okay. Yeah, that looks fun. And then I just extend this out a little bit. Alright, so that's the living room. Okay. And then we need dining room and every other room. I think that for just the purpose of stream, I'm only going to mess with one room. So, I need to somehow store this, though. Wait, get the values of this stuff. God. Oh, that's gonna suck. Okay, don't want to do this the hard way. I'll do this the annoying way. It's gonna suck. Make a game object array of every single object that is within it. So this is gonna, this might lag. Objects. There we go. Okay, and then on void start. Void on trigger enter lighter other if other dot compare tag. Do they have tags? Oh, that makes things so much easier. Oh my god. Oh my god, that makes things so much easier. How do I spell it? Grabbable. Okay, cool. That makes things so much easier. Holy shit. Okay. So then we just can I make this? Fuck that. It's gonna be a list now. List of game objects. New list game object. Easy. Alright. So objects dot add game object in case it's not, because it's the collider. So yeah, it's a list of game objects. So that should add every single grabbable game object to the list. Which, okay, so the list exists. Do these have, they're not grabbable, but I could give them a special tag, which I could give them a special tag and then have these also be seen by it, but okay. Actually, I don't think that's what I wanted. I wanted transforms of each. Actually, that's what I wanted. So then I have their positions. Their position data should be saved within this little rooms thing on the start of it. And then I also need to have a threshold value. So then if it's different on any axis by a certain threshold, then it'll do things. He'll know it's a thing, and he'll go into hunt mode. Okay. So I did? Okay, cool. Public float threshold. There we go. We'll call that. I don't need this open anymore. Alright, so I'll set it equal to 1 for now. I guess that's a good enough starting value. Void. Okay. Is it gonna be a puzzle game, or is it just gonna be find the items around the house? Probably both, honestly. I'm gonna try to make it be both the puzzle game and find the items. Like, we'll see. I haven't like planned that far ahead for the gameplay, because the main point of this is to see if I can just make an AI but better. So we'll see. Fuck, what was I doing? Okay, so if okay, oh no, I need a for each transform X in objects, then whoops. Also, maybe random spawn. Yeah, random spawn points for like keys and stuff. 100%. Like if I have it be like that. Honestly, maybe I'll make like the upper room be like the entire house, pre-basement. I might make that just be like a find and collect thing, and then the basement is gonna be where you actually have to whatchamacallit, do puzzles and shit. So honestly, that's not a bad idea. It's not a bad idea. I was gonna write that down, but I don't have anywhere to write that down. So, okay. So what am I doing? So if I'm trying to think. My brain is lost. So if x dot position how do I check exactly? But that just keeps like their transforms. I need their. Okay. So I just need a list of vector 3s. That's what I need. Vector 3, and call this object OG pause. That's what we'll call it. Blah, blah, blah. There we go. Cool. Then we just object OG pause dot add other dot transform dot position. I don't care about the rotation, honestly. The rotation, fuck off, because if the rotation is different, the position is probably different. So yeah, x dot position is. Can I just like compare it? My brain is not thinking right now. My brain is off. Give it a second. My brain's trying to turn back on. So I had an idea and then I lost it. Okay, so I need to see if it's different by threshold. So dot x is greater than what is better? Int I equals 0 is less than objects dot count. I don't know if I should do -1 for that. I don't know later. So if objects dot okay, that's a dot x. Oh, my bad. Objects of I dot position dot x is greater than object OG pause of I dot position oops dot x plus threshold. Okay, honestly, method, because this is gonna. No, fuck method, don't need it. I go with my original idea of doing this. Okay, cool. Objects dot position dot x is less than pause dot x minus threshold instead. What do you mean, man? Stop complaining. Oh, my bad. Okay, cool. So that's the X, then I do the Y and the Z, and then, Y, make this be Y. This is big as fuck line of code, but do I care? Not really. And then I do the same thing for the Z. This is gonna be looking messy as hell. And then I just, okay. So, need a, API, yeah, that's what we'll call it. Cool. And then, start, AI equals, find object type, API. There we go. Okay, so if that's different, then we, change the state to hunt. And then hunt is going to have to do other things. Brain. AI dot state equals 2. So let me write that above that so I actually know exactly. Oh no, 1. That's 1, not 2. So 0 equals idle, 1 equals hunt, 2 equals chase. Cool. Alright, and then this also needs, oh, for each fucking room it needs a thing. Oh, that sucks. I might just make the values be a completely different thing. I just duplicate this after I get the things. Easy, I guess. Okay, so that just sets the state to 1. And then, but, oh no, but I need that to, happen if only he's in the room and he sees it. Fuck. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. It's, I'm making AI, but making it be better. Hello Neighbor AI. You know, that's pretty much what I'm doing with this. This just checks to see if it's different. I'm just saying it looks like spaghetti code because, it's long as fuck. Yeah, pretty much doing what Hello Neighbor couldn't. Okay, so, can't have this here. This has to be somewhere else. So if I, oh, fuck. Okay, but I need this to only run? So this can't be in the update method. I got you. But then this would be better if I had the room thing. If I make it be its own object, then I don't have to worry about that. Okay. I got you. Brain is working. It is working well. Okay, cool. So this is going to be, rename. Living room. Okay. Or, no, that's not living room. That's, foyer. And that's what that is. Okay, cool. My brain is running a little bit better now. Give this a thing. So I can put these all in the same thing. This is still going to look like spaghetti. I'm going to be honest. There's definitely a better way to do this, but I'm going to do it how I feel like doing it. So, shush. Okay. So that works. Okay, cool. So this needs to be its own, method. And then whenever the neighbor enters it, it'll run this method. Okay, cool. So this is, check objects. Cool. Alright. And if that's true, then AI.state equals 1. Alright, so I can still keep that there. So that checks the objects. So if the neighbor enters the room, then... Okay. So if other.compare tag to neighbor, then we just run check objects, and that'll check every single object within the room, so it's not too cramped on one object, which then makes that be a little bit, just a little bit better. I'm gonna be honest, it's a little bit better. Okay, so once the neighbor enters the room, he'll check the objects. If the objects have changed by a certain threshold, then yeah, things happen, pretty much. Okay, which the threshold right now is equal to 1. Can I put the threshold on... I'm gonna put the threshold on that. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Doesn't matter. You don't exactly need coding terms. Okay, rooms thing. That's what I'm gonna call this. I don't care about the capitalization error. Ooh. Why does Evan King have such good fucking music? Okay. So this is just gonna be like a list of values that I can steal and use for the room bounds code. What am I doing? Okay, I need public float threshold, which will be equal to 1 at the start. So I can just change that later. I'm definitely going to change that value later. What else do I need? I think that's really all I need for now. Okay, so instead of having that be there, I don't need that. Okay, I need, okay, I'll leave it for now. But I'll get rid of it there and make it not be public. It's not public anymore. Okay. So that is that, and then I need rooms thing, That's what we'll call it. Sure. I love the capitalization errors. It's great. Rooms thing equals find object of type rooms thing. Okay, cool. And then threshold equals rooms thing dot threshold. Cool. So I don't have to change too much. All right, that's definitely gonna fuck with memory, but I don't care. Okay, so the threshold of this should get set to whatever the threshold of this is. I just want to see if it gets the objects real quick. Let me make sure it does. Alright, let's see. Okay, so it has every single object that is movable within this room, which is a lot more objects than I thought it was going to be. Just check for. Okay, so if anything in this room moves that shouldn't move, I think. Okay, so I need to make sure that it doesn't add it if it's already in the list, because it's doing that and I can see that already. Okay. And other dot game object. Why is it all satanic all of a sudden? What, the music? I don't know. I don't know exactly. Okay. So for each, what am I doing? Transform. So if, what am I doing? Okay. If other dot transform equals x, then I just need it to turn, yeah, okay. That's all I'll do. Okay. So let's see if that works, hopefully. What does that say, in Unity? Oh, no, that's just, post-processing's off. So when I turn on post-processing, it adds, like, shit like this. Honestly, the post-processing does make it look a lot nicer. But you've only ever used UE4? Shut up, Josh. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so it only has one of each. Alright, that's exactly what I wanted. Okay, cool. So, the neighbor enters the house eventually, which he's doing right now. Not any more UE5 now? Nice. Okay, cool. Okay, so... if I, say for instance, just move... oh, it's static. I can't move it unless I'm player. Alright. Let's go! We're gonna... go move things. Alright, let's go move things. So if I, say for instance, take this chair, and it's now here. Now what are you gonna do? He's still pathfinding to that, but I don't think he's gonna pathfind anywhere else after that. Yeah, okay, cool. So he's in hunt mode right now. It's just I haven't changed what happens when he goes into hunt mode. 1984? Yeah, fair. Okay. So now we actually killed the hunt mode. Now that we have it set up to where he goes into hunt mode, which that took way too long, I'm gonna be honest. We can now, if I ever need to, I can just duplicate this room into other rooms, which I'm definitely going to do. And then just change the bounds a little bit, make it look nicer, and, you know. Neighbor has no model? Yeah, he doesn't have a model yet. Well, he does have a model, I just haven't put it in the game. Alpha, should I give them a sneak peek of the model? I should add the bite of 87? Maybe. I might put Fredbear in here somewhere. Okay. We can curl up into a ball and cry in hunt mode? Okay, that's fair, that's fair. So he enters the room, he notices that there's something different in the room, and this water bottle is empty. I'll have trash gonna put that in. Hunt mode. We're coding hunt mode. Okay, cool. So hunt mode. He can notice changes around the room. Done. Cool. Alright. Sound cues are not done. Can I bold this? I can't bold. Okay. I was hoping I could bold. Alright, honestly, here, just so you guys can see better, I'll do that. Okay, Sneak peek. Okay, give me a second. I'll pull up sneak peek. Alright, let me just save the Unity project real quick so I don't lose shit. Blender, let's go into Blender. Sneak peek. I'm gonna give you the best sneak peek you have ever seen of any model. So load faster. Thank you. Alright, let's come to the model. Alright. Alright, you guys ready for the sneak peek? Alright, here's the sneak peek. So this is what the neighbor looks like. This is the neighbor. He's a little rat. He's a little rat boy. No, okay, that's not actually him. But let's pull up the actual model now. And let me give you a sneak peek of the best part of him, which everyone will love. I'll do it from this angle. So this is the sneak peek of the neighbor. You get to see his ass cheeks, because, you know, everybody loves his ass cheeks. So this is the neighbor's ass. Yeah. Hopefully you enjoy the neighbor's ass. This is all you'll ever get to see of the neighbor's ass. Mr. Neighbor Rat? Yeah, I agree. Neighbor Rat's pretty cool. I wish that YouTube didn't have stream delay, which I could remove it by getting rid of DVR, but who cares? But yeah, so that's neighbor ass. So yeah. Okay, we're coding AI. My bad. I'm getting distracted. Okay. So he is able to know the rooms, which I could put that in. Ooh, room bounds. Room bounds gets that. Okay, cool. Public float. Player thing. Player likeness. That's what we'll call it. We'll call it player likeness, and then I also need a cool neighbor. just... Oh, got it. Oh yeah, so while he's in the room, it'll also check it, I guess. He got new 4Gs on the Jeep? Let's go! He does have those new 4Gs on the Jeep. Okay, and then this is the, exit. Look. False, and this goes away. Okay, cool. So now I can tell when the neighbor's in the room. So, void update. Okay, I do also need a pool player. Okay. Here, let's just make this better. Okay, cool. Player in room. Okay. Spelling is still not in my vocabulary, apparently. Check DMs for some of your animations. Okay. I'm not gonna put them in yet. I'm just waiting until I get all of them. I hate Josh. He sent me the rats. That's really crazy. That was really crazy of you, Josh, honestly. Okay. So, cool. Now I can check with the players in the room. So, okay. If player in room, I'll only work for the neighbors in room first. Neighbor in room and player in room. Player likeness is what I call it. Okay. Player likeness plus equals. Can you add Grimace Shake as an Easter egg? I could add Grimace Shake as an Easter egg. Okay. So what am I adding? He adds by 0.001. We'll add by a little float each time. And then always make sure to mathf.clamp 01 the player likeness. So it'll never go past 0 or 1. Cool. Alright. The only thing is there's no way to subtract it, which I don't care if you subtract it. He does not need to subtract it. So if you just get seen by the neighbor in a room a lot, then, you know. Ooh, okay. Here, let me start coroutine, add a player. So we'll call it. Just doesn't exist yet, so. Hi enumerator, add a player like. And then what am I doing? Player likeness. Did I just copy it? I didn't copy it. Player likeness plus equals 0.001f. So each room gets its own thing. Wait for seconds. We'll have it wait half a second before it adds again. Alright, so they'll do that, and then let's hope it's good. Did I make that be public? Yeah, I did. Okay, cool. Alright, let's see exactly what happens now if both the neighbor and the player are in the same room at once. Should I tell some YouTubers to play your game when you're done? Sure, why not? It's up to you, honestly. Okay, so if they're both in the room, it does add to it until one of them leaves. So at that point, you already be running from him, but it is adding still really fast, and I didn't want it to add that fast. Part of it is because of how I'm starting it. How do I check if a coroutine is running? That's actually something I've never had to do before. Let me check if coroutine is running. What? Oh, I'll just use a boolean. Yeah, okay. Cool. It's just a boolean. Simple. So this will be up for download? Yes, it'll be for public use. Everybody will be able to get this after I edit and upload a video on the process of making it. Because there's a lot of things that I am not showing right now. Okay, bool is adding. That's what I'll call it. Cool. Alright, and then, cool. Alright, let's see exactly what happens now. Hopefully it doesn't go too far. I was hoping that there's like a built-in way in Unity to do it that wasn't just a boolean, but doesn't seem like there is. This game still needs so much work, holy shit. Okay. Let's see. See, that looks better. I like that better. And he'll be chasing you as well, so that'll go better. So your room likeness gets added up, and it is only if you're in the same room as the neighbor. I'll add a little check to make sure that you're seen later, because I don't have a way to make sure you're seen. And also, let me make sure, before I forget to do this, because I've already forgot to do this. Where is my thing? Okay, cool. I'll just put a little thing here so I don't have to add to the other one. If, what am I doing? If AI.state is n equal to 2, then it'll set it to 1. I'll just make it less than 2. That's better. Because it's never going to go past 2. It just clamps it. Okay. So that way, if he's in chase mode, he's not just going to switch to hunt mode immediately. Add sex? I don't know if I want to add sex, I'm going to be honest. I don't want to add sex. That is not something that needs to be in a Hello Neighbor game. Okay, so now we can actually start working on the hunt mode itself. Okay. So he does that. Be able to know the player's favorite rooms. Done. Alright. Yeah. Cool. Search wardrobes. Fuck. Okay. So, I need to find wardrobes and figure out which one's the nearest to him. You can't give him those cheeks and say no? Yeah, no, Alpha does, see, look, Alpha doesn't want to animate. He's our animator. He's our animator, and, you know, if the animator says no, then I guess we just can't add the sex scene, the neighbor sex scene. That sucks now, doesn't it? God, that really sucks that we can't add neighbor sex scene because the animator doesn't want to animate it. Like, I was all for the neighbor sex scene, but, you know. Okay. So, what am I doing? Oh, fuck. I lost it. Sphere check. I'm gonna sphere check to see if there's wardrobes near him. And if there is, and he's in hunt mode, you'll do it. You'll. I don't know. I don't know. Liquid sims are quite heavy. I hate that you guys want a sex scene. I hate that you guys want a sex scene. Okay. If physics dot. Yeah, sure. We'll sphere cast around him. Transform dot position. Radius. We'll make it be a. I hope that's not big. Sphere cast is not what I want. I just realized sphere cast is not what I want. Check sphere, that's what I want. Okay. Boom. Okay. Position is transform dot position. Radius is 5. Layer mask, it's going to check. I need the layer mask of the interaction, I guess. Technically. What's my layer mask under for the player? So I'm just gonna steal that. It's under the mouse look. Okay, gotcha. Mouse look. Sure. It's called looks now. It's called looks. Okay. Looks. Mouse. Look. Add Hello Neighbor VTuber concert? I'm not adding Hello Neighbor VTuber concert. Okay, so I need looks dot ray counselors. Okay, cool. Do I need anything else? No, that's it. Okay. Dot fuck. Well, because he's not, I haven't coded Chase yet. He's technically still, okay. So the thing is, he's still in his idle phase, and his idle phase has his destination set to a certain point, which I need to move that. Whoops, my bad. Okay, cool. I forgot to do that. Okay, so that does that. Alright, so he's still in here, and at this point, he's already got a destination set, and I just haven't changed the destination to be something else. Which is what I'm trying to do right now. It's to get wardrobes around him. So then, like, if there's a wardrobe near him, he'll have a chance to check the wardrobe. If not, he'll, pick a point in the room, place a trap, or place a camera, and then he'll leave the room and go to a different room with a higher probability. Why is the music not playing? Yes. Yes, continue watching. Yes, yes. Yes. Go. Continue watching. What a feature where if you put the grimace shake inside of the neighbor's milk and makes him drink it, you will get a secret ending where the neighbor oofs from the shake. Okay. Chrome does not like me right now. What is this? Why'd you send me the video of the spacebar? Okay, so what do I do? Fuck, how do I check this? Okay, give me a second. I'm gonna cheat my wardrobe. Give me a second. I hate that you get limited layers. Expected. Shut up. Sorry, I'm complaining at the thing. So only if he's an idle, he won't check wardrobes, but if he's in hunt or chase, he will. Yes, yes, exactly. That's exactly what it is. Actually, he'll only check the whatchamacallit. He's only gonna check wardrobes in hunt. In chase, if he loses you, he goes directly into hunt mode, and then he's gonna look around for you. Check it, like he'll check the wardrobes near him, and then he'll check his favorite room. What am I doing? Prefabs, making sure I'm messing with this. Where are you? Wardrobe, wardrobe, wardrobe. You. Okay. So right now you're ground layer. Can I give you? Okay, I still have a couple layers I can use. That's how you spell wardrobe, right? That's how you spell wardrobe. Seems hard already? Yeah. No, this is stuff that I don't know how to do, and this is me learning how to do it. So I can do this in the future, and also it adds to a really nice resume. So you know, just saying. Yes, change children. Okay, cool. So do I have it avoid wardrobes already? Yeah, I do. So I wanted to run through a wardrobe. Yeah. Okay, so nav mesh, it needs to include wardrobe as well, and that's fine. So if I bake it, let me see exactly what happens. The mailbox counts as ground. Wait, so if you jump on the TV, he can't get you? No, he's gonna have a range to make sure that you don't get fucked. Like, you can't just fuck him over like that. Yeah, he'll have reach hacks. If you're slightly above him, and, he's not able to get you, then, like, I'll figure it out. I'll do a thing. Don't worry about it. I'll do a thing. Okay, so wardrobe's that. I need, mess with the player's stuff now. Player, view, main camera. Your culling mask also sees wardrobes now. Cool. Alright, and your, whatchamacallit? What am I doing? This, raycast layers, also touches wardrobe. I guess. Yeah, touches wardrobe. Yep. Doesn't touch inventory, doesn't touch that. Cool. Gotcha. Alright. Easy. That's that. I think. Do I have to do anything else? Nah. Ooh, I don't think so. Cool. Alright. So why don't I use Source 2007 to code this? That's a very good question. Okay. So I wanted to only get, which means I don't need this anymore. Yay! Less memory that I have to waste. Yay! Alright, so I need a, layer mask dot, name to layer. Whoops. Cool. So I'll get that. Makes it easy. Use UE2? You're right, I should use UE. No, I should use UE1, honestly. You know, my bad. I got you. We're going to, Alright, guys, so we gotta recreate the entire project, but on a completely older version of, you know. We're going all the way back to Unity 5, guys. I think that's... We should go all the way to 5.0. Alright, brain. Does things. Okay, I don't need this in, thingy. This is some weird-ass thing. I don't know if Unity 1 exists. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know if Unity 1 exists. Okay, so go to wardrobe, and it's going to, go to wardrobe. Okay, cool. So it'll find the wardrobe, and... No. Yeah, no, okay. Bool. It'll, yeah, make it be a bool. So then, I need it to be a random chance to get to the wardrobe, because I needed to check to see if the wardrobe's there in the first place, like if he's near one. And, okay, honestly, I'm now rethinking the whole check sphere thing, because, like, what if it clips What if it like clips up and grabs a wardrobe above him? Game Maker 2D, you're right. You know what? My bad. My bad. Sorry, I'm making this in the wrong software. My bad. My bad, guys. All right, we're recreating it. We're gonna make it in ClickTeam Fusion. My bad. We're gonna make it in ClickTeam Fusion. I actually have a project file. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? It's somewhere. It's somewhere. Epic Neighbor game. Here we go. All right, guys. Here we go. This is the new Hello Neighbor game right here. You guys like it? It's pretty cool, honestly. I could not imagine making AI in ClickTeam. Good luck with that, Alpha, for your super secret project. Scary Neighbor PNG has killed you? For real. Fuck, I keep getting distracted. Okay. So if the wardrobe's there, then he needs to decide whether he wants to do wardrobe or not. So, does this have random stuff? Okay. It's not random. I'm trying to think. Brain. What am I calling it? Check wardrobe. That's what I'll call it, actually. Alright, and then you need, wardrobe random equals new system dot random. Okay, cool. So return wardrobe rand dot next 0, 1. Does that work? No. Do I agree with KO's statements? Maybe. Int a equals, okay. So then switch for a, case 0 equals return false. Okay. Nah, I'll just do it different. I'll do it different. Okay. Next 0 to, he has a 20% chance to check the wardrobes. How about that? 20% chance to check the wardrobes in hunt mode. Okay, so in hunt mode. Okay, so if whoops, if a equals 1, then turn true. False. Okay, that's that. So if a equals 1, he'll return true, and then okay, then I don't need that. Alright, easy. There we go. Alrighty, so, what else am I doing? I'm trying to think. That was so easy to code, and it took me like 20 minutes to do that. Oh, I have not coded in a while. Okay, so yeah, you're right. I should do that. I'll add that later, honestly. Back more often if he catches. Alright. So God, I'm still, my brain is still not working fully. So if Go to wardrobe. Then agent dot set destination to well, okay. How do I get the position of that from a physics check here? Is there like other overrides? Can I view the overloads, please? Can I view the overloads? No? Okay, cool. That's fine. I don't want to. I didn't want to. So I need to somehow get this to I need the position of the wardrobe so I can add to it a little bit. Fuck. How do I get the position? Love incognito to ask dumb questions? Yeah, agreed. Like, honestly, how do I get... I'm trying to think of how to get the position of the wardrobe from this, but it doesn't look like there's a way to get it. What is this song? Holy shit. Okay. I'm actually going to go grab some food real quick, because I do have food downstairs that I've kind of just been, like, not grabbing. So, you know. I also want to use this screen. This screen's really cool, and I like this screen. So just give me a second. I'm gonna go grab some food. Come on, food. Oh, is the chat not on the iPad thing? It's supposed to be on the iPad thing. Huh. Weird. Oh, well that would explain it. That's covering it. Okay, chat's on the iPad thing now. There we go. Fixed. There we go. Alright, I had an image covering it. But, yeah. You can hear him using the bathroom. That's so weird. Yeah, that's the bathroom. Sorry, I had to travel through the back rooms to get some food, but I got food now, so we're back. So yeah, we got a lovely burger, and we got some cheese fries and a little milkshake. So yeah, I'm gonna be munching on these throughout probably the entire stream. A, I love A, and the music stopped again. Okay, now it's back. Black on black, good one. Yeah, I agree. Yeah. And there goes the music. Okay. Why are you? I hate YouTube sometimes. Bathroom or back rooms? Or the bathroom in the back rooms? I don't know, it could be any. Okay, so I still don't know how I'm gonna do this because I didn't really have time to think about it. I had to talk to other people. Okay, I still don't know how I'm gonna get the position of that. How do I? Okay. Maybe check sphere isn't the right thing to do. Ooh. If I get the collision, I can just use that to get the... Okay. How do I use the game object, sphere, physics check sphere? Okay, cool. It's colliding with... but it didn't work, blah, blah, blah. Physics check methods are only for checking if something exists. Use the physics overlap method to know what they return an array of the collider. Okay, cool. Overlap, that's what I need, okay. Overlap sphere, okay, cool. So, what do I need? Position, radius, layer mask. Okay, so how do you use this exactly? Okay, let's look at overlap sphere. Arrow, agreed, arrow. what is arrow? It's a collider array. Okay. So if I okay. You caught him 4K by stealing some code? Yeah, I mean, okay, no, I'm learning new things. I've never had to use the overlap sphere thing. This is a new thing I've never touched, and this is... See, it's a Unity documentation, so this is official. This is official right here. I'm just learning how it works. Okay, so, yeah, no cheating. No cheating. I would never cheat. My movement code is definitely not just stolen from Brackies. Wardrobes. Okay. Alright, so first off, we need to, oops. Wardrobes equals a new, collider array, so then that doesn't... Oh, okay, here, I'll do it like this, okay, cool. Yeah, okay, I need that, alright. Collider array, X, cool, sure, call that. And then this is still gonna be a check sphere, and then I still check sphere. Okay. So then that does that. Okay. And then we're going to set the what was it called? Fuck, I forgot what I called it. It is called wardrobes. I don't know how I forgot that. Wardrobes equals X. Okay. For wardrobe? Yeah, for wardrobe. It's just so I have the wardrobes. Okay. And then, wardrobes, wardrobe ran dot next, oops, 0, comma, wardrobes dot length. Okay. Dot transform dot position. There we go. I might want to do that a little bit better. Actually, I'm going to do that a little bit better so I can have him go in front of the wardrobe instead. Okay. So the wardrobes themselves, what's their forward axis? Is it Z or negative Z or something completely different? It's probably something completely different. Okay. So it is negative Z actually. So vector 3 ward pause, that's what we'll call it, equals new vector 3 okay, here. I need a int word, we'll call that equals that. Paste. Okay, cool. I can just get rid of this. I don't need that. Okay. New vector 3 of wardrobes dot wait, wardrobes of ward dot x. Wait, sorry. What's transform dot position dot x comma y comma z plus 2 minus 2. That'll probably work. And then I'll just have like a little trigger box to have him do an animation to check the wardrobe. Okay, cool. So then set destination, maybe pause. Cool. I'll do it like that. Which then I could have just done this easier, but that's fine. No, actually this works better. I like that better. I'm thinking about it. Okay, so he'll decide whether he wants to go to a wardrobe. And if he does, he'll go to the wardrobe. And then, he'll go to the, yeah, okay. Simple. Okay. If not, he'll pick a spot in the room somehow. Okay. Okay. If whoops. Physics dot spearcast. Okay, so this is a time that I actually have to use it. Okay. So, well, first off, I need to get random coordinates, so that isn't too far from the player. Or the neighbor, I guess. So, some x toward. I'll just call it x4x. Okay. X equals new. Alright. And then we need y and z. Z, and then let's go x equals okay, and then do I need a y random? I don't think I need a y random. I'll need a y random. I just need x and z. Okay. I don't even need it like this. Wait a minute. Okay. Vector 3. Pause. We'll call it. Vector 3. Stop. Next. Zero, y is just going to be transform dot y. Z is going to be score z. I'm trying to think. E dot x. I just realized I need this. We're just gonna go to some random spot outside of bounds. So what do I need? Radius is gonna be 1. What was the noise called? What I call it? It's called items. I need to make sure that there's no chairs, wardrobe, or ground. I don't know about the ground's gonna. Fine. Yeah, but then what if he picks a spot that's not on the nav mesh? Yeah. So I'm just thinking of things. Bam. There's. Chairs. Locks and boards. Okay. Make sure that there's nothing there. Okay. And then, I thought about putting this in some method, but I don't remember why I was thinking that. I check if it's on the nav mesh. Yeah, cool. So I'll just what's it called? Agent oh, because if not, then I need this to loot. Okay. Agent dot set destination to item pause. Nav mesh. I don't actually have a nav mesh. I need the nav mesh in here. Nav mesh. Call it nav mesh. Oh, nav. Navm. Mesh. Underscore nav mesh. Why are you not? Oh, because it's a static. I got you. So that doesn't matter then. Alright, nav mesh dot find closest edge and item pause. Oh. Oh, I see. Okay. Nav mesh dot find closest edge of what's the sphere check thingy? Sorry, I wasn't looking at chat. I was focused. It pretty much like it creates a sphere somewhere wherever I tell it to create a sphere pretty much, and it checks to see if it collides with anything. Like say for instance I want to see if it collides with the ground, I would just put this as ground, and then it would check to see if it's colliding with the ground, and if it is, then it returns true. If not, it returns false. So I need a nav mesh hit called nav hit. That's what we'll call it. Nav hit. Oh, I need to stay out. My bad. What else do you need? What the hell is the area mass? Find closest edge. Okay, cool. Unity nav mesh. About find closest edge. Bitfield mass specifying which nav mesh areas can be passed when finding the nearest edge. What? Oh, nav mesh not all areas. That's just what I'll do. Nav mesh dot all areas. Alright. Go to pause. That not work? What does it return? How do I get... Okay. We're just gonna look at the nav mesh itself, I think. The nav mesh object. That's what they have. Okay. I don't exactly know how to do this. I'm trying to figure this out. I need something that returns like... It's like the thing is, I don't know if this is on the nav mesh. Like... Okay, we just hope and pray. If I need a way to make sure that... Like this thing, I can't tell if it's on the nav mesh. I'm just gonna hope. I'm gonna hope and pray that it works. That's how we, that's how you code. So I don't know how to check if it points on the nav mesh. Exactly. Oh, I need to... My bad. I need to go move an object. Real quick and then see how he reacts to that. Oh no, I moved an object. He's doing his tasks, just give him a moment. Just give him a moment, he's doing his tasks. Don't worry about it, he's doing it. Oh, what? What happened? I caused a stack overflow. I did just see him speed fist. I did. It was the fastest speed fist he's ever done. What happened though? Like... $110? How does this cause a stack overflow? What? And then 119. Oh. I see. I see how it does that. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's because it's already created, and then it... Fuck. How do I do? Not a thing yet. Just give it a minute. It's going to become a thing. Okay. No more Stack Overflows. Alright, now I gotta speed run into the house before he goes in. Alright, let's do this. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Don't go into that house! Don't go into that house! No! Same thing, okay. Cool, so what's causing it now? Line 18 and line 121. 118 and 121. What's 118? Okay. How's this causing a stack overflow? I don't understand. Okay, I was running. No, I was running. It's just that, you know, I'm on a race against the clock, so I think it's this. Okay. Alright, well, let's hope. Let's hope and pray. This is the hope and praying again. Alright, this way. $119 and then 122. Same two things. So I don't... What? So something's wrong with this line right here. Yeah, just a few, you know, just a few errors, you know, the usual. Like, wear mask. Let's heighten layers. So I'll call it. So now you can make this look less spaghetti. Ooh, goodbye spaghetti. Don't want you. I just didn't want to make another wear mask. I was lazy. Ah, layers. This is great. Alright. There's locks. Items. ports. See if that changes anything. I doubt it, but you know, it's not creating multiple spheres, so maybe we'll see. Oh? Okay, okay, so it's almost there. Why does it turn red when playtesting? I have it set to do that. Like if I just come to edit preferences, that's not preferences. Edit preferences. If I come here and I go to colors, I have it set to play mode tint be red. Cause if you make changes while you're in the play mode in Unity, and you leave the play mode, it doesn't save the changes you made to like values and stuff and things you put in the screen. So it's so I know whenever I'm running the game. Because sometimes you can't tell. Okay. So I was going to else if agent dot path. They don't have a path. Then we do this. Okay. Is placing. Oh, I'll do that if it reaches the path. Okay, cool. So how do I do the reach path thing? I don't exactly remember how I did that. I just coded this the other day and I don't remember it. Okay. So if it doesn't have a path, yeah, it's not doing a task. Oh, I have it. It's just a point. Yeah, I get it. So I'll just do it how I was doing it. Okay. Is placing item equals true. So then, for now, just so I can see if he goes to random points on the nav mesh. Well, he's picking points within like a 10-meter radius. I'm gonna go up the radius. Where's the radius? Where's the radius at? Here. I'll give it 30. Because 10 is too little, so... Shit. And then, just for testing purposes, please let me actually do one. Okay. Alright, let's exactly what do we have to do? Yeah, okay, just blur and then neutralize. Gizmos dot equals color dot red. At item pause color red. Two. Alright, I'm just gonna drag game view over here. Okay. I just want to see exactly how far the thing's going. Ah. Aha, it moved. Why doesn't it want to draw any more gizmos? It's sad. It's like it draws these gizmos just fine, and then it doesn't draw those. What's the difference? Where's he at? He's still outside. He's just wandering around outside. His point was there. Okay. So that's the thing, he's not going to it. Why is he not going to it? Like, oh, you gotta go? Alright, peace out, man. Okay, he's not. I don't know why he's not going to it. I also don't know where it is right now. Oh, it's in here. It's under the car. Now it's over here. I'll do +1. Okay. We hope and pray, we hope and pray, we hope and pray. Please, please, please work. You want to work. You want to work. I can barely see shit. Where's he going? Okay, so maybe bring this back so then he doesn't just. Okay. position, apex, equals, and pause of x, and what's this on? Transform position, C, oops. Yeah, see, my bad. Alright. Then we'll have it placed item, which doesn't exist yet, so I'll create it real quick. It's item. It's empty. And then it after it does that, it sets it's placing item false. Alright, please. We hope. Now he goes to wherever the fuck it goes. So where is he going? He's supposed to be going over here. Which that doesn't exist on the nav mesh. Okay. So he kind of is just wandering around right now. He's a little bit confused on where to go. And the music stops. Yes. So, Okay, so I don't know about 30. Let me bring it back down to 10, see what it actually looks like on 10, because that was not 10. But also, he should be able to get in there. Like... I don't see why he's not going to it. Huh. Shit. What if I just like pick up an item and I'm holding it? Okay, so he goes into hunt mode. And he's still not going to where the thing is. Oops. Just go to the point. Go to the point. Go to the point. You should just go. I do not know why you're sticking outside. This is your point, buddy. It's on the nav mesh. Go to your point. I don't know exactly why he's not going to it. I'm gonna be honest. Hmm. Just for now. Just for now. I don't care if you're not gonna get got. I just want to make sure that. But it shows it, so. Yeah. So. Accept all cookies? Nah, shut up. Never. I will never accept all cookies. Okay, so. Yeah, I know. It's very boring, but it's just I'm focused because I don't know why he's not. Then I'll just do the different type of it. Okay, set path instead. Set path to path. Alrighty. Else, it just redoes it. Cool. So they're just gonna complain if I don't. There. Hopefully, please, please, I really want this to work. I'm really hoping this works. If this works, I'm going to be happy, and I might just call it for right now because I'm tired of working on this. I've been working on this for almost 3 hours now. Okay. Oh no, it moved. Where are you going? He's doing his tasks. Oh, he picked this point. Oh. He's hunting! He's hunting! He's hunting! Okay. That's almost... He's almost got it. He just freezes. Okay. I know how to fix that, though. That's an easy fix. That's so much easier than working with pathfinding. God, I hate pathfinding. Okay. Okay, so I can bring this back. That works now when he's hunting. Okay, so I can bring him back. And, so how do I check to see if, or, whoops, okay. Or is placing item. And, oh, wait, I can just do this better. Let me just do this better. I'm gonna just do this better. Okay. So I don't even need you. Okay. So, if he's placing an item, and, nav path dot, oh. Wait. Agent dot path status equals. Let me check if the path status is complete. Let me figure this out. Okay, cool. Unity agent dot path status. Okay. Equals attach dash dot path completed. Cool. All right. That does that, and it work, hopefully. I'm so happy that he started, like, hunting around. It's a very scuffed hunt right now, I'm gonna be honest. It's very scuffed, and he kind of just looks around in random places in the house. Okay. So let's see where he decides to go. Where does he decide to go? Where you at? Okay. Can you pick a better way to get there? Like... That is not... at all. Go back inside the house. Go back inside the house. Go back inside. Why did you leave the house? Well, he was doing it until I did this, so, I don't think he's trying to jump through the window, because it would just make him go around through the door. I'm gonna be honest. Like... Okay. Let's hope that works. Ah! No, let me in first, let me in first. Haha, ha 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 ha. And he goes hunting. Oh, okay. Can you... The point is right there. Buddy, the point's right there. Hey, buddy. Buddy, the point's right there, buddy. Let me bring back to the point where he was working. Just give me a second. Let me just bring back to the point where he was working. I can figure out how to fix that. Okay. Let me make sure that he still works. Let me make sure. God, I hate messing with pub. Haha. Hey, look, it moved by your threshold. Okay. Just go. Whoops. Okay. Pause. You go inside the house. Unpause. Nope. The point's right there, buddy. The point is right there. The point is... Also, I could swear I had it going... Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, this sucks. I wish I could see the path. Is there a way to make it to where I could see the path? If I add that. Bro, this music does not fit what I'm doing at all. Yeah, me through. Honestly, I'm going to also... You know what? Start coroutine. Countdown. Is there a better way than wait for seconds? Sure, wait for seconds. If it doesn't reach the point within 30 seconds, then probably not a good point. So then we just rerun, go to points. So if you can't reach the point within 30 seconds, he'll go to a new point. Which also makes it look like he's human because he forgets where he's gone. Okay. Come on, buddy. I'll just wait 30 seconds, and I'll switch the point to somewhere else. He's hunting so well right now. This is such good hunting. Just go inside! It's right there, inside the house. It's right inside the house. It is not that hard. Don't bully him, he's trying his best. He's not trying hard enough. This is like old, because there's no function anymore. Yeah, I would, but I can't. I've tried already. Should we cheat this? Oh no, we're cheating. Oh no. Oh no, because I don't know how to display paths, nor do I really care. Alright, have the nav mesh set up. Okay.
That this bigger type we want to put right now. And it has a reference but zero or rakes on that too. First the position. Maybe they can put that bigger, a lot more. Use the store hack to move to now. Working there. So and if we go to participate, the players
No, where's your display glowing nav? Oh, okay. Creating the animator.
In this video,
Displaying the path. Here we go. This is all I need.
In this video, we're going to write action welded. Yeah, pretty interesting. Private game object. We'll call it and what marker prefab for prefab dot position or inlet once, and I'll show you.
I just want to see how you draw the path.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna make empty object.
Because I want to see the path. I want to see the path. How do you draw the path? Okay. Line renderer, underscore LR. That's what I'll call it.
Cornish is taken. We're gonna want to do here. Otherwise, if we do 0, we'll actually taper it off.
No, I'm right now. I'm just trying to get to render lines because I want to see lines, and this is broken again. There we go. Ooh, 3 hours, I hit. I've been working on this for 3 hours already. That's great. It's almost... That's lovely. I hate this. Okay.
You can change position count equals 0, and you put all noise. Great. Line render region. So this actually goes through and checks. How many check open?
Okay.
So this is going to be if there's only one point. Position equals okay, now we got to set it to this actual point.
Easy. This is just... What was the lesson? Agent path corners length.
All up.
I see. Is that how you do it? Is that it? Okay, cool. Please, please, just show me the path. I would like to see the path. Oh, I have it only set to work when it's not mode. My bad. So I'm coming here. Gonna see that. And his path is not being drawn. I should do that in there. Doing that in the wrong area. How's AI going? Terrible. I hate it. There we go. Okay, so that should go there. Alright. I also have to go soon because some people are at gym and they are expecting me to be at gym. Hey buddy, hey buddy, hey buddy. Hey, I'm coming first. Thank you. It's a simple path. This is his path that he's supposed to be taking. Okay, let's hit reset and let's see where it says he's supposed to go next. Okay, pick a new point. Pick a new point. Pick a new point. Okay. So this is the path he's supposed to take. Why is he not taking the path? What? Like, that's the path, and he's supposed to be taking the path. Maybe that's why you always just, like, keep adding the path. That might be what it is. Okay, here, I'll put this, put that there. Of course, that works. Okay, and then I need the threshold thing again. Okay, that's what you need. You just need to constantly add to it. Okay. Alright, I don't think I need this anymore. So agent dot path status equals now dot path completed. What was I complaining about? Oh, not really, just 122 and 63. If math path is equal to null, okay, that does that. Cool. And then it said something about 63. Oh, because it leads to it. My bad. I got you. Okay. Oh no, something moved. So simple to get him to do things, haha. Huh? He's gonna figure it out. Watch this, he's figuring it out. Oh. Yeah. Yo, he's hunting. He's kind of figuring it out. It actually is working really well. I'm surprised at how well this is working. So yeah, he's only like really checking the floor that you're on. Okay, cool. And then I'm gonna add back the hunt countdown thingy. Okay. Start coroutine. Hunt countdown. There we go. That's the coroutine. It could be if is hunting countdown. It's not true, then yeah. Cool, okay. Countdown equals true. You for seconds. Blah 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 blah. Don't actually have it yet. Okay, cool. Dot random timer. System dot. Timer dot next. So it'll either last for about a minute, which is 60 seconds, up to 3 minutes, which is math. 180. I should have been able to guess that off the top of my head. Okay, cool. So then we switch from hunt to idle. Okay. State equals 0. Cool. Alright, so he will hunt for either a minute or 3 minutes, and if he doesn't find anyone within that time, he'll just go back to this. But if he does, then other shit happens. Okay, cool. So what have I finished? I'm gonna switch how the wardrobes work, honestly. Okay. Doesn't open doors yet. Doesn't set traps or cameras. Will next stream be Chase? I mean, Chase is very simple. I get no, actually, because then there's the prediction. Yeah, next stream's gonna be Chase, unless I don't finish this one, because I do gotta go. Which one are they at exactly? Because I have some people, I have some friends at the gym, and they really want me to go to the gym with them. Oh, they're at the one that's 20 minutes away, so I should probably go. It's lovely. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna, yeah, okay. So I need to rework the this. Okay. So let me mark this as needs rework. Cool. All right. And then Chase is still a work in progress. Okay, let me I'm gonna mark things real quick. Okay. Idle. Here, I'll mark it the cool way. Okay, so that's idle. And then we get here's hunt. Hunt. And then right here I'll just put Chase. Okay. So I can have them marked, and then I need to actually move this. So then all this stuff stays together. Okay. I think that's about all I'm going to do for now. Because I do gotta go. Next stream, I don't know. I might stream tomorrow. If I stream tomorrow, it's either gonna be I work on this or I play games. I'm not exactly sure which one it's gonna be. I might work on this because I kind of just want to get this finished. I'm tired of having this be a thing. So, I might just get this finished. Yeah, let me just save real quick, and then we come here. Alright, we're gonna come here so I can, quickly update things. So my functional, hunt mode. And then we will check that in. There you go, everything's checked in, perfect, alright. So now the other people that are working on this project with me can fuck around with him a little bit, I guess. But he does just go and check random rooms, I'm gonna be honest. He doesn't, it still needs a lot more work, but it's a start. We have a start now. That's the good thing. We set up the start, and I'm slowly learning how pathfinding works a little bit more. Which kind of helps, I guess. Makes sense. So, yeah. It was good streaming. I'm either gonna stream tomorrow or the day after. I'm not sure. It's one of the two. We'll figure it out. So yeah. I'm gonna press this button. Gonna come here. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoy your day. Don't code AI. It's a pain in the ass. So you know. It's fun. It was fun chilling with you guys. I enjoyed it. Always do. So, yeah. Fun, I guess. I don't know how to end streams, as you can tell. I'm ending it. It's fun. I'm ending it. Ah.